An architect has designed a stack of cube-shaped rooms, and the builder needs to know exactly how to build it. She sends this drawing, and the builder hesitates. Back there, hidden behind this front room, is another room or an empty gap. You can't tell. And are these two rooms the same height? Hard to compare. Remember our codes. Every drawing gives something up. One picture from one direction does not fix the solid. Here's the architect's fix. Not one picture, three. One from the front, one from the right, one from the top. A multi-view projection shows a 3D shape with several 2D drawings, each looking straight on from its own direction, so everything along the line of sight flattens onto one flat grid. Read together, the three views give heights, widths, and depths. Let's see them work. View 1, the front. Look straight along the arrow and flatten. Column by column, 3 high, 2, 1, 2, 8 little squares. And here's the fine print. Each square is the face of the nearest cube on that line of sight. See this bottom square? 2 cubes line up there. The front one shows its face. The one hiding behind shares the same square. View 2, from the right. Flatten. 2 columns. The front row, 1 high. The back row, 3 high. View 3, from the top. Every column collapses to a single square. The footprint. Where the columns stand, not how tall they are. Now the builder builds, with one rule of the site. Every room rests on the ground, or on a room below. Footprint first, 6 columns stand. Now deduce their heights. Look here. At this spot of the back row, the column stands alone, no room in front of it. And the front view says 2 high there. Forced. 2. Trickier. At the left end, 2 columns share the front view's 3. But the right view caps the whole front row at 1. So the 3 belongs to the back column. The same reasoning forces every other column, every cube forced into place. Slide it over the architect's stack. Identical. For our stack, the 3 views left no guessing. Let's remember, one view couldn't fix our solid. 3 straight-on views, front, right, top, each flatten one direction. And read together, footprint, then heights, every room resting on the ground or on a room below. They rebuilt our stack with no guessing at all. Next time, the 3-sided family gets sorted.